Welcome to Freeman Orthodontics. Here's a helpful guide to your new life with braces. To start, we are going to review how to care for your braces with the items we have provided. When brushing with braces, you'll start like normal, brushing the face of the brackets in a circular motion. Then you'll want to turn the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle and brush above and underneath the brackets. This is important as food gets trapped in these areas. Leaving food above or below the brackets can cause permanent markings on the teeth, also known as decalcification. Although brushing around the brackets is the most important, don't forget to brush the inside and biting surface of the teeth, as well as massaging your gums. Always make sure you brush for at least 2 minutes. Decalcification is a permanent marking on the tooth that is caused by poor oral hygiene throughout the course of treatment. These scars cannot be whitened, cleaned, or drilled off, which is why it is important to maintain good oral hygiene while in braces. A handy tool to keep with you is a proxy brush. This is a quick way to remove food that is trapped under the wire. Please note, this does not replace brushing. These are reusable. Simply rinse them off and replace the cap. Your lips and cheeks are going to have to adjust to your new braces. We have provided wax to help with the transition. Take a small piece of wax and roll it into a ball. Then place in the area of discomfort. The wax can stick to a bracket, a hook, or the wire. If the wax is not sticking, try drying the area off prior to placing the wax. Remember to remove the wax when eating or brushing and replace with some new wax. If you are ever in need of more wax, we are happy to provide you with some. You will be receiving a travel-sized toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash. These are great to keep in your backpack or purse. You will also be receiving Rincinol. This is like a liquid Band-Aid for the mouth. It helps heal your cheeks and gums from irritants such as braces. Lastly, we have provided you with a mouthguard. We recommend wearing this when playing any high-contact sports. These mouthguards are adjustable as you can trim the ends with scissors. Be sure when placing the mouthguard, the small U-shaped cutout is facing up. Flossing may be more challenging with braces. To do this, you will need floss and floss threaders. You'll start by taking a piece of floss and feeding it through the looped end on the floss threader. The floss threader acts as a guide to easily maneuver the floss under the wire. You'll pull the floss through and floss normally. We understand flossing with braces is a little time consuming as you have to go in between every single bracket. Our main concern is brushing, so we recommend at least flossing a couple times a week. We ask that you are mindful when eating certain foods with braces, as hard or crunchy things can break brackets, such as granola bars or Takis. Avoid chewing ice cubes, as they are the #1 bracket breaker. Popcorn is okay as long as it's fully popped, no half-cooked or kernels. You may still have things like apples, carrots, and celery. We just ask that you cut them up into smaller pieces and chew with your back teeth. We recommend avoiding sticky, chewy, or hard candies. Gum is okay as long as it's sugar-free, no gumballs. Although it may be tempting, do your best to refrain from picking at your braces. If you encounter any problems, be sure to refer to our website or feel free to give us a call with any questions. In most cases, when starting braces, we will have placed brackets on all of your teeth. However, you may notice that the wire may not extend to the brackets on your second molars. These are in the very back of your mouth. These brackets are more likely to break when eating hard or crunchy foods. If you happen to break a bracket that the wire does not extend to, don't worry, we will fix it at your next scheduled appointment. If you notice a broken bracket that is attached to the wire, please give us a call as we would like to fix it right away. You may not feel sore now, but later today you will start experiencing some discomfort. Please remember, if you can take ibuprofen, to do so right away and continue every 6 hours for the next day and a half. Stick to soft, easy-to-eat foods the first couple of days. You'll be back to eating normal food in no time. Congratulations on your new journey with braces.